We'll dive into the concept of parent-child relationships in Blender, specifically between objects and empties. This concept is essential for better scene organization and control during simulations. In Blender, the parent-child relationship is a powerful tool that allows you to control multiple objects together. Simply put, when you parent one object to another, the child follows the movements and transformations of the parent, including translation, rotation, and scaling. Let's take this robot as an example. To move it all as one, I'll create an empty object at the robot's base and parent all the robot parts to it. This way, the parts will follow the empty, making it the control point for the entire robot. To set this up, start by selecting the child or children first. Then, hold Control and select the parent. You'll notice that the parent will always be highlighted in yellow. Once everything is selected, press and hold Ctrl+P and choose Object Keep Transform. This ensures the child objects maintain their position, rotation, and scale while following the parent. While other parenting options exist, we'll stick with Keep Transform for this example. You'll notice that the parts are now under the empty we made. Let's try and move the parent. And as you can see, the parts are also moving. If you want to rotate the parent without affecting the child, select the parent and press Alt+C. Note that this does not only apply with parenting an empty to an object. This applies equally when parenting one empty to another empty, or an object to another object. You can also put a parent inside another parent, creating a hierarchy of parent-child relationships. This allows for more control on structures in your scene. You can create chains of objects where moving one affects the others, giving you better control over how everything moves together. If you want to unparent, select the child objects first, then the parent. Press Alt+P and choose Clear and Keep Transformation. You can explore the other options to see the difference. However, in our case, we always select Clear and Keep Transformation option. Don't forget to explore with the different options to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.